Welcome to the first video in the Bridge Design series installing the CaddPro software. You'll receive an email that has a link to the CaddPro software, to the software release area. And the first thing we need to do is download that software. This will take quite some time because the software is about 0.5 gigabyte of information. Once the software is downloaded in the zip file, we need to shift that zip file to a location where your company standards and settings are. So we'll just paste that file into that folder. And let's go and open the zip file. So we'll just double click on it and go through the folders. And what we want to do is copy all of these folders and files back up to the company standards, and we'll just paste them in here. That's the easiest way to do it. That will also take a few moments to do. Now what we need to do is open a file that's located in the root level of the CaddPro directory structure. But before we do that, we want to make sure we're not using the no workspace and no work set option. So we toggle it to a workspace and work set, and let's go and open that file. We've opened the file, we're inside it now. Let's open the VBA project manager, and we're going to browse for a file that's in the CaddPro folder called CaddPro configure client computer.mvba. We'll load that file. If we hit the pencil icon, that'll load the editor, and just click on that green run button, hit the run button again, and our configure dialog box will show up. We can accept most of those default settings and just hit the configure button, and configuration is complete. Now what that's done is created a file in your organization folder called caddpro.cfg, and that contains the settings to connect to the CaddPro software. Let's open MicroStation again and open the file. And we'll see the CaddPro interface there now. If we load up a program, we get a message about the licensing. What that means, we just need to put our license file in place. So that license file you'll receive by email, that file has to be placed in the CaddPro folder. Okay, so now that file is in place, we'll start up MicroStation again, open a file, and we will try and run a program again, and you can see that it loads successfully. This means that CaddPro has now been installed.